So right here we have the NEX L1 Pro screwdriver. This is a little screwdriver that I've been using to put together the shed. I really like it because it's so small. I can get into tight corners and use it. There's even a light when I use it, and as I push more, it goes faster. If I want to go slow, I just hold it a little bit like that. It goes slow. Push more, it goes faster, faster, let go and stop. Variable speed control with the trigger right here. I also have the torque setting. You see I have it at level 1 because I was working with sheet metal today, and level 1 is just a right amount of torque so I don't over torque my bolts. But if I wanted to, I can go to level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. These are higher level of torque that will turn the screw more before it stops. Like if you're driving a screw into wood, you will need like level 6, and it works great for that. But for something like sheet metal, I was using level 1, and it's perfect because it doesn't over torque my screws. I love it. And also the direction forward and back is so simple. When you use it, there's a light. The chuck holds on really tight. When you want to release it, you gotta push up and then take it out. It's magnetized. And this is the case right here. And you see, I actually put all the screws here as I was working to put my shed together. But there we go, guys. That is the Fanttik NEX L1 Pro screwdriver. This one is a solid, really nice screwdriver with USB Type-C charging right here. This is some good stuff. The Fanttik NEX L1 Pro screwdriver. It's a solid screwdriver right there.